Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Evoque in Santorini Black. This car is next due for a service in December 2021 and has previously had only one owner. As you can see, you have a powered tailgate, so if I press that button it will open automatically, which is great if you have your hands full. Your charging cable in the back there, and plenty of space, but you can also put the seats down for more room. Button on your boot, or you can use the one on your key again to shut it. You also have 20-inch diamond turned alloys, which just look great on the vehicle. You have keyless entry, so if I lock the car I can unlock it just by pressing the button, as long as the key is in my pocket. And going inside the car, you have our dynamic tread plates and a gorgeous cloud and ebony leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light and really nice on a sunny day like today, and also lets in a lot more air. And you close it using the same button. 10-inch display screen, different functions including vehicle departures, .360-degree camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. You also have ambient lighting with several different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. Sat nav, if you're ever in an area you're not familiar with. Different driving modes, depending on the weather or where you may be driving, including comfort, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts or sand. And you also have an eco option. Heated front seats. You do also have a massage option, which is a real luxury to have. Memory seats, which is handy if there's several people driving the car. Controls on your wheel, including speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. This car has done 1,300 miles. You also have head-up display, which is great as you can keep your eyes on the road. Here you can change the position of your head-up display or the content that you can see in front of you, depending on your own preference. And you can also change the layout, whether you'd like one dial, two dials, a full map, or your media. A ClearSight rear view mirror, meaning you can turn your mirror into a camera if you can't see out the back window, which is pretty handy. And stepping back outside the car, that was a lovely Evoque in Santorini Black at Stafford Land Rover. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 131. Thank you.